It is Wednesday, back in the kitchen with Lucy Greer. You are working on a sweet treat today. I'm surprised we have any left. Chastity was devouring this during the last segment.
Yes, she really liked it, so I'm glad.
Well, it looks so good. Tell the folks what it is.
Thanks. This is Mardi Gras inspired. It's our Praline King Cake Dip. So it's a sweet dip, and during the Christmas and all the holidays, we were selling some sweet flavored cheese balls, and they did really well. So apparently people are really into sweet dips lately. And we already started with our candied pecans. We have those in the oven. So we just took some pecans, we tossed them in, one egg white, and then we did sugar, cinnamon, and salt. We got all those mixed up, so now they're just baking 250. They'll take about 45 minutes or so, but we have some that are already done there. And now we're just going to mix up our dip. So I have 8 ounces of cream cheese that's just softened at room temp. Oh, whoa. I forgot my hand mixer at home, so luckily y'all had one in the kitchen.
Yes.
This was like my mom's hand mixer. You turn it on like the lowest speed and it does this. It's like, whoa. So that's a good thing because it goes really fast. So we're just going to loosen that up a little bit. And now I'm going to add half of a pack. I just have 1 box of the French vanilla instant pie filling.
Okay.
And it's just half of this because I already used the other half. So
this is such a great idea for Mardi Gras parties, get-togethers, all those sorts of things that are happening throughout the area, of course.
I know.
Right now.
So much is going on, and it's fun to take something different to a party, and this one is really good because it doesn't have to be, kept cold. It'll be okay at room temp while you're at a party, and it's just something, kind of different. Everybody loves Mardi Gras. Yesterday, I was at one of our stores in Pensacola, the Lillian store, and there were several people there just decked out in Mardi Gras stuff. It's just so funny. I mean, so it spreads across our whole area. People just love it.
Well, and the other great thing about this recipe, and I know a lot of people are going to want to check out this recipe online, is that even though it has a Mardi Gras theme to it, this is perfect for a baby shower, a wedding shower, whatever you have coming up. This is the perfect dip to bring to those sorts of parties. Definitely.
And it's definitely Mardi Gras, king cake inspired, but most people like king cake, but I've heard this year, several people aren't really into king cake. So it's not like, I know, it's kind of crazy, but it's not, it doesn't taste exactly like a king cake. So I think it'll be kind of pleasing to everyone. Okay, I'm kind of nervous because I put the milk in and I'm scared it's going to go everywhere. So I put a 1/4 cup of milk in here, so we'll see what happens.
Yes. You're good. You're good.
Okay, we're good.
All right, so what else do we have to do to finish this up?
Okay, so we are going to add some marshmallow.
You got me a little bit there.
Okay.
All right, we're good. We're good.
We're going to add some marshmallow cream, which is kind of a nod to a moon pie. Okay. And then we're going to add a touch of cinnamon in there, and we'll put it all together and finish up with our topping.
This is going to be a hot recipe, y'all. You can find it on the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com.